Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Guys, after a long time, I'm talking about Stellar XLM price update. What's the price of Stellar? What's the price changes over in the Stellar XLM? Let me show you guys. But if you're new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the currently price of Stellar XLM, so the currently price is about 0.341551 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Stellar XLM. Other side, if we talk about the changes update of Stellar, so now that's great news. That's good news for all of you that now in the last 60 minutes we found Stellar in the XLM is in the positive mood. As you know about Stellar that in a previous time from last 70s you found Stellar is in the negative changes, but that's great. Now the time is over. Now it's pumping down, guys. Let me show you just a price chart. You can see it, guys, absolutely from yesterday the price start dumping. You can see it from this point. That is the highest point of Stellar XLM. The price on this point is about 0.418206 USD dollar, and now from this point the price start dumping. So possibilities from this point again Stellar start pumping. My prediction like that in the upcoming 4 weeks Stellar will only pump. Stellar XLM price will only pump. So that's why I recommend holding for everybody, guys. And you can see otherwise if you look the last 1 month update, so you can see 25% of the change is positive. That means that it's profitable. It's not a bad changes. It's really a profitable changes for all holders, guys. Anyways, so what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Stellar? Share on the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.